Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up recurring payments with Zelle's Wells Fargo. Now, first you need to go ahead and log into Wells Fargo, either the app or the website, with the username and password, right? Then I want you to go to the transfer and payment section on the home page, right? Just tap on transfer and pay and then select send money with Zelle. Now here we need to choose the recipient. So just tap on add recipient or go ahead and select an existing contact from your Zelle list. You just need to enter their email address or phone number. This will basically be linked to Zelle, the one that's linked to Zelle. And then just verify the recipient's details before proceeding. And then guys, what you need to do is just, enter the payment amount you want to send. Look for the option to repeat payment or recurring payment. Okay. And this is actually available for Wells Fargo bill pay users. And then just choose the payment frequency. So they have daily, weekly, monthly. You can do custom dates as well, right? And then you just need to go ahead and just review your recipient, the amount, and just schedule it, right? Just tap send or schedule to finalize, and you'll receive a confirmation once the payment is scheduled. Okay, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.